Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the email address on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now, let's see what we actually have in front of us. So here we have in the top left corner, we have all of your websites. We have the setup, the home. We also have the settings and the design site, and of course, which will get you to your editor, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the email address on Wix. It is of course pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon here. After that, click on account settings, which is the one of the 2 options. You'll get to a screen looking like this. Here, you'll have all of your account information. You'll have your first name, your last name, your site URL, account language, and here we have the password and email. What you of course need to do is go to the pencil here, click on the pencil. After that, put your Wix account password, of course for security, enter your new account email, confirm your new account email, click next, save it, and confirm your email. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.